Welcome to Florida in flip-flops.
Hey, what's up? You're back again. Thank you so much for watching this video. And as always, I want to welcome you to Florida in flip-flops. So guys, in this video, you're gonna see a little boat ride on the St. John's River, which is the largest river in Florida. And that river is about 500 kilometers or 310 miles long. It's insane and it's so beautiful. We're so lucky to have our grandparents that own a little boat, so we took it out and we wanted to show you that. And of course there will be some hiccups, again some unexpected situations as always, right? And you will definitely see some animals. So guys, kick back, relax, and let's go for this adventure. Talk to you soon. Bye.
We're going on a boat ride today.
See that guy pull up there and cross.
Let's go on the trip.
You don't need to go fast on the water.
You tried it? I thought you needed money. You must have
I've
done
been
that.
boat all my life since I was 10 to 12 years old.
Woohoo! St. John's River.
You guys ready?
All right, let's go for some speed. Woohoo! Oh my God! I think there is some trouble in paradise. There is something wrong with our engine. All right, something didn't sound really good, so we're checking up the engine. So there is definitely something weird going on with the engine, but we're still trying to enjoy, and hopefully our boat will not be stuck in the middle of this water. So here is Captain Charlie, and he's trying to catch a fish. Yeehaw!
Too much weeds.
Too much weed. Ah! Oh my God. Now we got rid of the weed, and here we go. So here we are on the way towards Huntoon Marina Resort. the engine is still not working 100%, and Uncle Charlie, he doesn't want us to be stranded, you know, on this river when it gets dark. So we're very hopeful that we're gonna see a mechanic over there, because in this marina resort they do repairs. They have a lot of houseboats, and let's see if we can get help and maybe some extra parts for the engine. I just hope that there is a mechanic on site that can help us. So let's see what we get into today, and hope for the best.
By any chance, do you guys sell fuel filters? I need a fuel filter. Is there a place here I can get a fuel filter put on?
Yeah, go ahead and I'm gonna tie off right here, and I'll go get somebody for you.
Okay, I'll need a fuel filter and a wrench.
Okay.
You got it. Thank you.
I'll see what we can get.
Alrighty, let's repair that boat. Well, that's pretty cool. Just drive around the corner and here we are, getting some engine parts. Right? It's like going to a gas station on the road.
Unless it's an outdoor filter, we're not going to have it.
You what?
We're not going to have it,
Oh no.
more than likely. What kind of filter is it?
It's just a spin on.
You have a number on it? Make?
Yeah, he does have a number.
I guess that filter has a specific number, and yeah, in order to get the same filter for that engine, that specific part, we just need the number.
Always ends up that way.
Yeah, it's just a regular spin on water filter.
Well, without a brand.
So while the guys are dealing with the engine, I thought, why not go and explore this beautiful place? Let's see what's all around here.
Hi. I think if you rent them for like 3 days, they are like $1,200 or $1,300. Sitting areas is beautiful. And here we are, stranded with a broken engine. Oh boy. Another crazy day. Unexpected, as usual.
Okay.
All I need is the number and the name brand. You don't have to take it off, just make it so we can read it.
Yes, sir.
But I'm gonna guarantee you if the bulb stand collapsed, you probably have one of the iron bulb needs to get replaced.
You got one of them too?
Nope.
Oh jeez!
We're not an outboard, well, we're a Volvo and Westerby dealer, so.
I guess they don't have all the pieces we need.
It's a long way on the troll motor.
That's a long way on a troll motor.
Oh my god, what is that? Looks like a beer can.
So much better.
It looks like an oil filter to me.
So what are you guys voting for? Beer can or oil filter?
No. I
Wow.
still think we're gonna need a burner bulb.
Oh.
From what you described.
Well,
We'll take it one step at a time, that's all we can do.
yeah.
One step at a time. So this is the troublemaker here? That's part of the engine?
No, it's a fuel filter.
Oh, fuel filter.
Troublemaker. I'm the troublemaker.
Oh boy.
I am the troublemaker.
We know you're the troublemaker.
Somebody
That's
help me
a
get
given.
down.
And of course, Luki cannot sit or stand still, so here he goes on a little hike. So in this resort, they do a lot of renovations and repairs of the houseboats. And a lot of Floridians, they do live on these houseboats all year round, and that's pretty cool.
Ooh, isn't that a pretty place? All these houseboats. They're all doing some repairs on them. Ooh, I hear a doggy. All right, I guess Luki needs some exercise time here. Too long on that boat, I guess. Oh boy, let's run. Careful, Luki. I hope by now the guys have repaired the boat. Careful alligators here. Go back and check it out.
Rubber thing out here saying gotcha, you know? Just one of those things.
You've seen some manatees or alligators?
Pardon?
You saw some manatees or alligators?
Gators.
Oh wow!
Nancy Nancy.
But I could just see the back on top there.
I'm pretty certain.
Want to take this phone? It draws care in it. What?
I can't jump up real well. My back's
That's
not
fine.
great.
Hand him that picture to look at.
Sucks air in it instead of
I don't know if you can see it in the light or not.
Oh yeah. Nice. Very nice.
What is the picture of it?
Gator.
Alligator?
Yeah, he's off to the. He's on the side of it on the bank.
Wow, careful Luki with the phone.
Okay.
We don't want to have the phone ending up in the water.
Let's see if I can see it.
All of a sudden, whoosh! It went into the water, so I knew it was real.
Where are you from?
We live in Texas,
Texas!
Whereabouts?
Dallas area,
Dallas?
Irving particularly, if you know
Yeah, I know that.
the area.
So here we are back on the water, and the engine sounds a little bit better, but still not 100%.
No, it's still running rough.
yeah.
Still rough?
That didn't do it. I guess I have to change that bulb in the fuel.
And this is a drawbridge! Woohoo!
That's a big crane, I'll tell you.
Yeah, look at that big crane here. Holy smoke! Uh-oh.
Family Marine, you've probably seen advertised on TV.
Ready to rock and roll! Woohoo! All right, here's the new captain. Woohoo! That's the proof. My hand's on the steering wheel. Oh my God, you really trust me, guys? They're crazy, they trust me. Manatees are out. Lots of other animals.
Either
but-
one.
Oh yeah.
Water tank.
He's coming. Oh yeah, there is a gator. We just talked about one and there he is. Yeah, a little one. That's a baby.
Not eat fish.
Island Park.
Up in Highland Park. Run for a little ways. Oh, breakfast is over.
Breakfast?
Yeah,
Picnic.
I think the picnic's over.
I thought that was my breakfast you just said. See? It was like, take pictures of me. I'm beautiful.
So I have a little quiz for you guys. What can you see down there to the right on the tree trunk?
So,
Going toward it.
He's coming!
They going.
Oh shit!
He's coming.
Oh, what did he get there?
fish.
Oh my god, that's a huge fish he got.
Can we start fishing now?
Okay, no alligator
There we
here
go.
jumping
Go,
up.
Go.
Two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them.
Oh, they're jumping as you go.
Aww.
So closer.
They're not for touching it.
Oh, he accidentally slipped.
Aw. He stretches his legs. That's how they sunbathe, Cookie.
What beautiful animals do we see here sitting on the log?
He's thinking, shall I get that turtle or not? Shall I have her for lunch or shall I have something else?
Is he waiting on his papa to gobble it or not?
Look at how fast he's breathing.
He's breathing?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you see his thing.
You see his throat go in and out?
Oh yes.
You can really see his throat going in and out. Wow, look how he's breathing. He might be scared.
That is so funny.
Put that on the funniest videos. Oh, $1,000 for sure.
Well, this is incredible, right, Lukey?
Thanks, Charlie.
No problem.
Thank you.
Well, look come for it. Take a look around, see what we can find.
Hello, hello. Somebody's on a tour.
Yeah, my friends, put on your flip-flops and go on a Blue Heron River Tours. Yeah, let's call the number and here we go.
What is this material?
over here, you can grab one of those cleats for me if you want to.
What are cleats?
Well, there's 4 of them right there.
These are cleats.
Woohoo! Careful.
We got one.
Wow, look at that. If you want a boat, Luke, you have to learn all that. Here we have a green and all. Look at this, how he can change the color. Beautiful.
And I was also going to get a brown and old a big brown and old to show the difference and all sorts of stuff.
I love these green anoles. Look at that, how he changes colors. Wow. He loves you. Say bye. Thank you for the ride. So guys, and now we're having a picnic. Yoo-hoo! Well deserved after that craziness with this broken engine or whatever that problem was.
You only gave me 1 sandwich?
Yeah. After the boat ride, my husband had the best idea, having a picnic right here. Well, you know, the romantic level of my husband is really not the standard of a lady like I am, because we have construction going on right over there. I don't know if you can see it. We have the bridge, we have huge trucks going over, making all these noises. I mean, and then we have a road here, right? Look at that, right here. So we're surrounded by all this noise, and my husband thinks that's the most, you know, romantic place, right?
It's romantic.
You said it's romantic.
We can eat.
Yeah, we can eat. I'm thankful we have food and drinks, but that's not romantic. All the noise. I mean, come on. This is thumbs-down picnic area. No, not acceptable for a lady like me, right?
You say I should
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up means good, thumbs down means bad.
thumbs up.
Oh my God!
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up! No. Ladies out there, I tell you, when you get a boyfriend or a husband or whatever, make sure they have some little sparkles of romance in their blood, okay? Alrighty, talk to you soon. Bye. So here I am again. Well, what does that mean? Well, the video is finished, right? I'm so sorry. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope your man is a little bit more romantic than mine, you know? But of course, we still love our men, right? We all have some flaws. But yeah, so that's the story for today. Don't forget to watch all our other videos out there. And again, if you liked the video, if you loved it, if you enjoyed it, give us some thumbs up, subscribe, or leave some comments down below. And yeah, I hope to see you very soon. So be safe, be wild and adventurous. And then here we go for the next adventure very, very soon. Okay, see you. Bye.